Looking for a small but powerful dash cam that records in stunning 4K? Today we're checking out the Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini Dash Cam, a compact camera packed with STARVIS 2 night vision, voice control, GPS tracking, and 24/7 parking protection. Ultra-clear 4K front recording. The Vantrue E1 Pro records true 4K video, capturing sharp details like license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic for reliable evidence in case of incidents. Sony STARVIS 2 night vision with PlatePix. With STARVIS 2 sensors and PlatePix HDR technology, this dash cam delivers excellent nighttime footage, improving clarity even in low-light conditions. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS. The dash cam includes fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so you can easily connect to your smartphone and download footage quickly. Compact mini design with 1.54-inch screen. Its small and discreet design makes it easy to mount behind your mirror without blocking your view, while the 1.54-inch IPS screen allows quick access to settings and recordings. 24/7 buffered parking mode. The buffered parking mode records before and after motion or impact events, helping capture important footage even when your car is parked. Ultra-clear 4K video with excellent night vision. Compact design that doesn't block your windshield view. Supports up to 1 TB memory cards for long recordings. Front camera only, no rear camera included. Parking mode may require hardware kit for full functionality. The Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini Dash Cam is a fantastic choice for drivers who want high-quality video, advanced night recording, and a compact design. It's small, powerful, and packed with smart features that make it a great everyday dash cam for reliable road protection. If you want a compact dash cam with powerful 4K recording and smart features, check out the Vantrue E1 Pro using the link in the description. You can see the latest price, customer reviews, and current deals right now.